We'll guide you through how to install FFmpeg in Docker. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make sure you already have the Docker engine installed and running on your Linux system. Open your preferred Linux terminal emulator, such as 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶₶𝗀𝗀 or your standard desktop terminal. First, let us create a brand new, completely isolated workspace directory. Type the folder creation command you can follow from the screen directly into your terminal and firmly press enter. Navigate directly inside this new folder by typing the command you can clearly see and firmly pressing enter. Now, we need to create the configuration file that tells Docker exactly how to build our container. Safely type the file creation command shown on your screen and firmly press enter. Open this new file using a simple text editor inside your terminal by typing the exact command you can follow and pressing enter. Inside the editor, type the first line of code as displayed on your screen. This pulls a super lightweight, minimal Linux base image. Press enter to go to the second line and type the command you can follow from the screen. This command acts as the package manager, telling it to download and install the FFmpeg package without storing unnecessary cache files. On the third line, type the directory setup code shown on your screen. This creates a dedicated folder inside the container where our video files will be processed. Finally, on the fourth line, type the entry point command you can follow from the screen. This makes the container act like the FFmpeg command line tool itself. Save your file in the editor by pressing Ctrl and O, hitting Enter to confirm the name, and then pressing Ctrl and X to exit back to your terminal. Now it is time to build the actual container image. Type the image building command you can follow from the screen, making sure not to forget the dot at the end, and press enter. Wait patiently while Docker downloads the Alpine Linux base, installs the FFmpeg packages, and packages everything together into your new image. Once the terminal returns to the prompt, test your new installation by typing the run command displayed on your screen and pressing enter. If you see the FFmpeg version information clearly print out on your screen, the installation was a complete success.